Welcome back to the Divine Melanin Vlog. You know how we do. We love, we lift, we experience life divinely. It's your girl D-Ray, the Divine Relationship Alchemist, helping you to heal your relationship with self in order to heal your relationships with others. See this book in my hand? Boom. Right? I don't know if you can really see it. The 4 agreements. I have decided that I am going to discuss each individual agreement in really quick videos. And so today is the day that we do the first agreement. All right. This book is by Miguel Ruiz. It's a really easy read, really easy to get and understand. But I felt pulled to go ahead and make quick videos about each agreement so that my family and friends are able to grow from it without even having to pick up the book. But I encourage you to pick it up and read it yourself. The first agreement is be impeccable with your words. Let me say that again. Be impeccable with your words, okay? In the book, the author describes that to be impeccable with your words means that your words are without sin, okay? Impeccable means without sin. He also broke down what sin actually means, which is to go against oneself, all right? So really quickly and simply put, to be impeccable with your words means to never use your words against yourself, right? In today's time, it is so easy for us to speak words that are negative, words that are that just go against everything that we want to create, all right? And to be impeccable with your words means that you literally stop, pause, and think before you allow these words to leave your mouth. Why? Because you understand that words are a creative force. They're creative power. That's why it says speak things into existence, right? So when you fully hone in and you fully understand that your words have the ability to create or to destroy, okay, then you tap into, let me be impeccable with my words. Let me choose all of my words wisely because I understand my words are a force. My words are a power. And the words that you speak become seeds that are implanted into the fertile ground of your mind. Okay? Be impeccable with your words. An example of this that just happened last week as I was reading this book, which is what kind of made me be like, I should make a video about this. My kids were all over me. They were not letting me get anything done, right? And so I had said, kids, why are y'all attacking me so much? But immediately after I said that, my spirit made me change my words and say, kids, why are y'all loving on me so much? Right? Because when I use the word attack, there's a negative connotation to the word attack, meaning they're doing me harm. They have ill intentions in their dealings with me, which is not true. Okay? I realized it happened so fast. I immediately changed attack to loving on me because I want to be impeccable with my words. I want to use my words to build, to create. I want to use my words in the most beneficial, kind, loving way possible, right? Because I understand that my words create. When I use the word attack, I was putting out there something negative, like my kids have the ability to do me harm. And that's just not true. But when I am impeccable with my words and I say, kids, why are y'all loving on me so much? Then there's a positive energy around that. And it also helped me to shift my thinking and be like, okay, my kids, they just want some more attention from me. They want to be hugged on and loved on by mommy. They just wanted me at the time, okay? And so that was just a quick example of me taking a second, quick second, millisecond, it happened really fast, and changing my words to be what I actually want them to be, right? So be impeccable with your words. We got to stop using our words to curse others, okay? Because everybody's doing that, the gossip and everything that we see on social media, everything that is just projected to us is not of high vibration. And when we have conversations and we speak about these things that we see, when we speak about these negative experiences that we have, and we let the words come out of our mouth, then we are putting out to the universe that we want more of that to enter our reality. So even if something unpleasant is happening, we have to be conscious enough to find the words that express what's happening, but put more of a positive light or a positive connotation on it, so that we can implant that into our minds and therefore create something new, right? We have to learn to be impeccable with our words, meaning we don't use our words to go against ourselves, and we don't use our words to go against others, right? Because if you're even speaking negativity on somebody else and they don't agree, that's a part of the 4 agreements, they don't agree with whatever you're saying, then the words that you put out will come back around to you, okay? Be impeccable with your words. Choose your words wisely. Take a moment, pause, think about what it is that you want to say, and make sure that whatever you are expressing is of love, is of high vibration, so that you can make sure that you're actually creating that in this existence. Peace.